Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about random walks. Assume you have a point and the point usually starts at 0, 0. So we have something like a particle that is at location 0, 0, and this is my x point or x coordinate, and this is my y coordinate. And now we're going to evaluate where is this point gonna move in the next steps. So we'll assume this is step number 0. Here I'm gonna add steps. So this is 0, and now this is step 1. Now what's gonna happen is that we have, for example, a 50% chance that this moves to location number 1 and 50% chance it goes back to negative 1. So I'm gonna write a formula equals if rand, which is a random number, okay, is less than 0.5, the answer, you add x and you add it 1. Otherwise, you take x, you subtract 1. Okay, and we do the same for y. Maybe slightly, let's change the probabilities. Okay, and now if I like, let's take 10 steps, I can apply my formula here, and I have new location. I can plot all of this. Let me try to do it. So this is the step. I actually don't need step now. I'm gonna explain it in a while. I can add a scatter plot to tell me where is the location. I can also add these lines. Okay, let's reduce the size. Here we can say our random walk. And there you are, you have the random walk. Now, one thing we can use in Excel, we can add data labels. If I add data labels, let me see what, okay, so now if I select these labels, I think they are referring to y. Let me just select them again. Yes, they are referring to y. So I can select an option here. Label contains value from cells, and we select the steps. And I can take remove y and show leader lines. I don't know if this is useful. This is not useful. Okay, so now this is our random walk. Now if I press F9 on my keyboard, it will change. Now depending on your probabilities, there is a chance of you being in a certain location. I can also make the formula a little bit more complex. So if, for example, if rand less than 0.5, then I move +1, but also I can use the f's function. So now if I have my rand, I can move +1, but also if I apply it again, rand 0.5, maybe I can stay the same location we're actually at. And in the f's, the last one should be a true always, or 1. So like otherwise, you just apply -1. And I'm gonna reduce this probability a little bit. Okay, so we have 1/3 chance of staying or moving. Again, here you can also change the probabilities. Let's do 35 and see where this takes us. As you can see, this is our location. Okay, so hopefully it's useful. This is a very interesting concept in stochastic programming, and hopefully this makes it easier to understand. Have a nice day.